Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to create log a call report in Salesforce. So let's proceed and learn about log a call report in Salesforce. In Salesforce, logging a call report typically refers to the process of recording the details of a call or interaction with a customer or prospects. This is an important part of sales activities as it helps keep to track of communication history, follow up actions, and overall customer engagement. So now we are going to discuss the process of creating log call report in Salesforce Lightning. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. So here we want to go to the sales application. So for this, I click on the app launcher and then enter the sales in the search box and click on the sales app. The sales app page is open and here we can see lots of tabs are present on the name bar. And here we want to select the report tab. So we click more drop down arrow and the report option are seen here. So click on this reports and the report page is open and we can see the list of reports which we are created earlier. So for creating the new report, here we can see the new report button is present. Click on this new report button. Our create report dialog box is open and in this we go to the category section and here we select the activities. Here is the activities because logo call is also activity. So we click on this activities and here in the right side we can see there is a report types present. Select any of the report type and here we want to select activities with contact. So we click on this activities with contact report type and then click on the start report button and the new activities with contact report page is open and here in this window we apply the filters to see the reports of all a log. So we click on the filters option that is present on the left side and here is the date option. So click on this date and here select the duration from where you have to generate the report and here we select the start date which is 1 July and then click on the apply button and in the show option we select the drop down arrow of the show and then click on the open and completed activities and then select the apply button and then click on the all activities and then set the date filter and here we go we can see preview of a created report. Now we click on the save and run button. Now add the report name inside the report name field and it is automatically filled as a new activity with the contact report and when we click on the report unique name field, the report unique name field is automatically generated. And now enter the report description log call report and then scroll down and there is a folder field option and here we can select the private report folder and our report is added to this private folder and then click the save button and you can see that report new activity with contact report was saved and here you can see logo call report and it contains total two reports. This is how we create a logo call report in Salesforce Lightning. So with this, we have learned how to create logo call report in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.